Hello and welcome to another Jet Fuel Tenders demo. My name is Anton and today I will show you how to upload bids using an Excel file. Suppliers can use templates on the Jet Fuel Tenders platform to populate location bids and use them over and over again for future tenders. We understand, however, that many fuel suppliers have their own internal database systems which allow them to automatically generate fuel price information. If your company uses an internal database which can populate an Excel spreadsheet, generate an XML file, or API data feed, then it is possible to integrate with the Jet Fuel Tenders platform to automate the bid submission process. Please contact us if you would like more information about integration with Jet Fuel Tenders. In this video, I will show you how to upload bids using an Excel file and how to populate this file to prepare it for import. This process will require one-time configuration with some knowledge of Excel in order to prepare the export from your internal database system. I would be happy to do a one-on-one session to provide you or your technical team with all the information needed to prepare this Excel file. Let's get started. A detailed guide on how to populate the Excel file is available in our tutorials section. The link to the tutorials section is available on our website. Click on the tutorials button and follow the link to access the documentation. This section provides all the different tutorials available, which are constantly updated by Jet Fuel Tenders. Over here you will find the import tender bid from Excel section. In this section you will find the brief information on how to locate that template and how to prepare it for submission. The template will have multiple sheets and there is specific details on how to populate every single field on every sheet. Begin by signing into your Jet Fuel Tenders account. Go to the tender and on the tender page, download the template. Go to export tender information. This will download an Excel template. The first two sheets in the tender template need to remain intact. The first sheet contains the tender information, and then the second sheet contains your company information. The first 10 rows of the location sheet need to remain as they are. This is the initial information which has been input by the airline. You only need to start populating the sheet starting from the bid round and all the way until the notes section. Once you have populated all bids, entered the volume-based fees and the per-usage-based fees, and checked all this information, click the Save button and switch to the Jet Fuel Tenders website to submit your bids. On Jet Fuel Tenders website, go to the Locations page and click Import, and then click Import Tender Bids. Browse for the Excel template which you have just created and upload it. The system will go through the file and recognize all the fields and populate your bids. At this stage, if you would like to review your bids, you can go to the locations page, scroll down to the locations, and click View Bid to view bids for every individual location. As you can see, all the information we had provided in the Excel file has been populated, and the bid is now complete. Thank you for taking the time to view this demo. My team is happy to help if you need any assistance integrating with our platform.